Good morning. So, in this lecture, now we will come to know when do we say the concept for sway and non-sway frame. So, whenever the numericals are given, so we need sometimes it is important to identify whether the given numerical comes under sway or non-sway frame. So, first of all, what I will do, conditions for sway frames. So when do we call it as a sway frames? So first one, what I will say, if it is having an unsymmetrical loading, if it is there, then I will say it is an sway frame. Then second one is, if it is having unsymmetrical flexural rigidity, right, that is EI or I value, flexural rigidity or moment of inertia, right, then we say it as a sway frames. Then third important thing is, if it is having uneven length for columns, uneven length for columns, if there are two columns, then if they are having uneven lengths, then also I can say it as a sway frame. Then if we are having different end conditions for the given columns, if we are having different end conditions, then it is called as a sway frame, or we can say it as different supports, right. So particularly, that is if we are having roller support, right. Then the last thing is, if there are having any horizontal forces on columns, right. So these are the case when we say it as a sway frames. If any one of these is there in the given frame condition, then we say that it is a sway frame. So first one is unsymmetrical loading, unsymmetrical flexural rigidity, uneven length of the columns, then different end condition, that is support or horizontal forces, right. So now here I will just give a brief idea regarding the various types which are there. That is nothing but your non-sway frames and sway frames, right. So when do we say it as a non-sway frames and when we say it as a sway frames? So one by one example I am taking. Now if I am taking a column, right, so this is uniform in length, say whatever may be the distance, if this is the condition, and if it is having the property of I value, if it is similar to all, then it comes under non-sway frame. Now similarly, the same frame if I am talking, and here what happens, if here this is 2I and this is I and this is I, then it comes under sway frames. Now the second example what I am taking, right, now if the same numerical I have taken, right, and this is both side it is sway, right, then I property is same for all of this, then this comes under non-sway frame. But the same frame if you are considering, and here instead of hinge if I have provided roller support, then this comes under sway frames, right. So these are the things that we need to remember. So one more example I will be showing. The third example if I am showing, see now once again this is the frame which is given, I properties are same, right. This is once again comes under non-sway frame. But the same frame if I am taking and the other column is short, right, then this comes under, due to uneven length, once again this comes under sway frames, right. Now the other thing, now other condition if I am talking, now fourth example when I am talking, if this is the given frame, right, and then I am having, this is a center point load, this is L by 2 and this is L by 2. This is also comes under non-sway frame. But the same frame, if I am taking, right, and if it is provided with a distance of say L by 3, right, and 2L by 3, the same will be considered under sway frame, right, only by changing the distance. Now one more example if I take, right, if this is the frame which is given, right, and here if say the support is given it as hinge support, and say here if it is a loading given, right, but what happens, this is non-sway frame because whatever the horizontal force, if anything is coming, that is resisted by this horizontal reaction. But the same frame if I am taking, right, this is also W kilonewton per meter, right. Now instead of here support, if they have provided here roller support, then this becomes a sway frame, right. And last, one more example if I am considering, right, if this is the frame which is given, right, this is also hinge support, and here if it is provided with a hinge support, right, and say whatever the loading is there W, right, and this is also W kilonewton per meter, then this comes under non-sway frame. The same frame if I am providing, here I am providing the hinge, here the same W is there, and here once again the loading, this is W kilonewton per meter is there, and here if I have provided the roller support, then this becomes a sway frame, right. So like this we need to see the conditions, what are the conditions, and with respect to that you need to understand. Now here I say different end condition means instead of hinge, if it is roller support, then only it should be come under sway frames, right. Thank you.